Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about input statement. आज हम लोग इनपुट स्टेटमेंट के बारे में बात करेंगे. वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. इनपुट स्टेटमेंट जब भी क्वेश्चंस में हम लोगों को दिया हुआ रहेगा वैप टू एक्सेप्ट और वैप टू एंटर और वैप टू इनपुट, जब भी वर्ड एक्सेप्ट और एंटर दिया हुआ रहता है वी यूज़ input statement. So first of all we will clear the screen clear करने के बाद the first question says accept the marks scored by a student in physics, chemistry and biology. Find and display the total and average marks. So we will start with, first of all we will start with 10 CLS. Then we will write 20. Now it is saying accept the marks scored by a student. Accept, the word accept says that we have to use input statement over here. So we will write input, and whenever we write input we have to give a message. So we always open inverted comma, give your message within inverted commas. So it is saying accept the marks or scored by a student in physics, chemistry and biology. So we will input. So suppose you are going to ask the user, we are making the program, so we will say enter marks in physics, okay, close inverted comma, then give semicolon, and then we have to assign a variable. Let's write P for physics. Next line number 30, input, same process, open inverted comma, enter marks in chemistry, close inverted comma, semicolon and C. The next line number 40, input, open inverted comma, enter marks in biology, close inverted comma, semicolon, and we will assign B as variable. Then the question says find, means calculate. Whenever we need to calculate, we calculate by using let statement in basic. So we will write 50, let, find the sum or total and average. So first we'll do let T for total. Let's take T. We can take any other variable except P, C and B because we have already assigned here. So T is equal to, we will write P plus C plus B, physics, chemistry, bio. Then press enter. Line number 60. Here the question says calculate sum and average. So for average also we need to calculate. We will take A for average. A is equal to, either we can do T divided by total divided by number of subjects 1, 2, 3. So you write 3, or you can do this also, open bracket P plus C plus B, close bracket, and then front slash divided by, that is 3, number of subjects. But I would suggest you to always take the one variable, that is the total here. Both way you can find your, you can calculate your answer. So let's write T divided by 3. Now the question says and calculate and display. So to display, what do we use? We have to give print command so that the result will be displayed on the screen. Print, let's open inverted comma, whatever message we have to give, the total is, close inverted comma, give semicolon. We can write here, what is the variable? T. So we will write here T. Now line number 80, we have to print the average. So we will write print, print, open inverted comma, the average is, whatever message you want to give, जो भी message आपको देना है दे के, close inverted comma, semicolon, एंड यहाँ पे हम लोग लिख देंगे वेरिएबल ए, ये वाला वेरिएबल यहाँ लगा देंगे ए। अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, प्रोग्राम इज़ ओवर, सो हम लोग को लिखना पड़ेगा 90 एंड एंड देन enter. After that we have to run the program. Let's run the program. So see, as you run the program, computer will ask the user to enter the marks in physics. Suppose I write here 58. Enter marks in chemistry, say 49. Enter marks in biology, let's write 67. Now as we press enter, the computer will display the total is this and the average is this. So this is the way we find the total and the average by using input statement. We will see one more example. All right, so first of all we will clear the screen. Now here the question says, accept the length and breadth of a rectangular field, calculate and display its area and perimeter. Alright, so accept means we have to use input statement. 10 CLS 20 input, open inverted comma, enter length, close inverted comma, semicolon, and then we can assign a variable L. Same way 30 input, open inverted comma, enter breadth, close inverted comma, semicolon, B. Then 40 we need to calculate, so we have to use let statement. Let area, A for area, let's take it, A is equal to L into B, length into breadth. You need to know the formula. Then 50 let, we have to find the perimeter, so P equals 2 into open bracket L plus B and close bracket. Now you must be thinking 2 into bracket 2, we understand that 2 and anything inside the bracket should be multiplication, but computer doesn't understand, so you need to give one multiplication sign, that is asterisk in GW basic, otherwise your program will be wrong. Now we need to print, let's print it. So next line number will be 60, print, open inverted comma, give any message, the area is, close inverted comma, semicolon, and the area is assigned in variable A, so we write A here. Next 70, print, open inverted comma, the perimeter is, close inverted comma, semicolon, and perimeter is assigned in P, so we will write here P. Now we have finished with the program, so we write 80 end. Then we will run the program. So it will ask you enter length. Let's enter the length. Now remember one thing, you don't have to give any unit in GW basic. No rupees, no centimeter, kilometer and all that. So 40, enter breadth. Let's write 25. Now see, the area is 1000 and the perimeter is 130. Alright. So this way we use input statement. Till then, keep watching, keep practicing, give your best, and the best will come back to you. Thank you.